Okay, guys, I found out something cool today. Well, actually, I didn't. My daughter did, 3-year-old daughter did. And maybe I'm just not in the loop enough. I didn't know. Anyway, I've got this 128D. This is the European model, the plastic model. And I changed it over to NTSC inside of it when I got it, changed the power supply, blah, blah, blah. But anyway, so I came in this morning and I turned it on because this is the computer that I get on and do all my bulletin board and stuff. And when I turned it on, I've got the VIC-20 character set. And this does not have like a dual, character kernel or anything in it. So I'm sitting here trying to figure out how in the world she did this. And then I'll notice on the top here, this caps lock key is pressed down. And so then I unclick it and watch. Switches to the regular 64. I mean, is this something that always has happened and I just didn't know it? Or what? I haven't ever tried it on one of my other 128Ds, the metal cases, so I don't know. But anyway, that's something pretty cool. I didn't know it did that. But I did notice whenever you do it, maybe it's because I converted it from PAL. I mean, I don't know. I have no clue. But whenever I try to go to a bulletin board that uses Commodore graphics, if this is engaged, it doesn't work. See up here how it messed up that bottom line? It should change. It's really, I never noticed it. So I thought I'd make a little video about it and see if anybody else had ever seen this before, because I never noticed it. But, let me know. Leave it in the comments.